Hey guys, this is Eli from Sonic Electronics, and the product we're talking about today is a single subwoofer bass package from Belva. It's the BPKG10T. This all-in-one amplified enclosure actually produces 200 watts RMS, which for most applications would be more than enough to produce that low-end bass that you're really looking for. As you know, with most sub boxes, they're just typically not very practical, and that's because they're oftentimes too big or they require a lot of professional installation. The reason why you should consider this Belva loaded enclosure is because of its perfectly matched amplifier, and its compact size makes it great for nearly any application with any vehicle. The shallow mount design allows you to easily mount this in your trunk, as well as behind or even underneath your seat. The built-in amp actually eliminates any struggle you may have with finding the correct amplifier for your subwoofer, and it also powers this 10-inch woofer perfectly. It also works with any aftermarket or factory stereo you may have. For more information on this product, make sure to click the link below and visit sonicelectronics.com for all your car audio needs. Also, subscribe and like, and once again, thanks for watching. My name's Eli. Have a good one.